welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cleaning up after my daughter Ansley's birthday party. Today was her birthday, so we had just a little party at home and my house is a disaster. I'm about to show you guys what it looks like. So as long as we have lived in this house, I don't think it has ever been this messy, but I'm just going to take my time. I'm not rushing and I'm just going to see how long it takes me to clean it up. And also be looking out soon for a little hula hoop entertainment. Let me know when you see it and what you think. I just thought I'd throw that in there for you guys. I actually wasn't going to, but I was like, hey, why not? Who cares? And right here, I'm just going ahead and getting started, and I'm just going to clean everything off the counters and the table, put everything in the trash where it goes because I have stuff laying everywhere. So we literally had so much food left over, as you can tell. My mom and my sister are on a diet and my brother has just a perfectly healthy lifestyle most of the time, so they didn't really eat much of anything. It was mainly just the kids, so I guess me and Alex are going to have a lot of leftovers to take for lunch this week. So over the past year, I've been using these little clips to clip all my chips, and honestly it keeps them so fresh. I didn't do this for years, I don't know why, but I'm so glad I did. I found them at Aldi, just a little basket, and they last forever. And here it is, what you've all been waiting for. No, I'm just kidding, but you know I had to put it in slow motion. I used to could hula hoop like a champ, but definitely not anymore. So let me know, do you guys keep all the bags from your birthday parties? All of the birthday bags that I used this year were actually left over. We keep them in the attic, and anytime we need them, we just use them. And honestly, it's so much better than having to buy new ones because, let's face it, gift wrap is so expensive these days for some reason. So right here, I'm just taking out the trash, but by the time this video was over, I actually had went through 2 trash bags. So let me know, do you guys go through that many trash bags? On a typical day, we go through 1, so that was crazy to have to go through 2 in one day, but I just want to know if anybody else goes through trash bags like we do. So right here I'm using my Method Granite Cleaner, of course, and I was almost out, so I placed an order with Grove Collaborative, and I love Grove Collaborative. Like, seriously, I can't believe I didn't know about them way before I did, but honestly, I've just been trying a lot of their stuff on their site. They have gotten so much more stuff here lately. I will have a link down in the description box for you guys to get some free stuff if you want to try it out. Usually I wash the dishes first, but I could just not avoid the mess that was going on all around me. And you see I'm washing these 2 cups I got today. This is the Starbucks cup. They just started making one for the iced coffee. Well, I think they just started making it. I've never seen it before. And then I got the cup I'm washing right now from TJ Maxx. And I just love having clear cups for my iced coffee. I don't know what it is. Are you the same way, or is it just me? I've also been using this brush that I got from Grove, and I'm loving it. You can change out the head on it, and it just cleans the sink out so good, and y'all know that's my favorite part of washing the dishes. and watching other people clean out their sinks. I just love it. I don't know why.
I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of.
And guess what I'm thinking about as I'm putting these dishes up right now? I'm trying to make room for these new cups, and at the same time I'm thinking in my head, I wonder if Alex is going to notice these new cups I bought, because he's always saying we have so many cups and I keep buying cups, but I just love cups. So I'm thinking in my head this whole time, I wonder if he's going to notice. I think my obsession with cute cups is almost as bad as my obsession with buying pens. Right here, I'm just using my all-time favorite Wayman cooktop cleaner. I just love this more than anything else I've ever tried. So if you guys have any suggestions, I'm open to trying new stuff, but this stuff works really well. So if you haven't tried it yourself, you can actually buy it at Walmart. That's where I usually get it.
I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking.
Usually I don't clean the doors every time I clean, but we had kids running in and out from the party today, and there were so many smudges on the door from little hands and fingers touching it, so I just went ahead and cleaned it off. Oh, and I just want to tell you guys that if you plan on buying the spray chalk, don't, because it's a waste of money. It really doesn't work well at all. I got some for Ansley for her birthday, and it was just kind of like a disappointment to both of the girls.
Time after time after time, I'm wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause
I seriously just love cleaning off my dining room table because the stuff I use to clean it, the Method wood cleaner, smells so freaking good, y'all. Like, I seriously love it so much.
she's everything I'm dreaming of. The one that I can live without. The one that I can live without.
Right here, I'm just emptying the vacuum out, and I'm trying to let air in the bottom of the trash can so I can actually fit more stuff in there. And I'm just going to go ahead and start vacuuming. The floor looked ridiculously awful. Like, it has never looked that bad. I was just like I don't know what I was. I just could not believe that my floor looked like that. I could not wait to start vacuuming and just clean it all up. So I love my Dyson vacuum. I actually am using it on the max speed right now because I had some bigger pieces to get up. Obviously you can see them on the floor right now as I'm talking. But the only bad part about the max speed is it doesn't last as long. I can usually get my whole kitchen done and my whole living room done, and that's about it. But if I use the other speed, the lower speed, I can actually vacuum my entire house. I have a link to mostly all of the products that I use in my videos, so if you want to check them out below, I have a link to the vacuum, and I also have a link to my furniture. I just thought I'd let you guys know that because I have a lot of people ask where I got my living room furniture at, so it's always down there in the description box. So I have been using a new floor cleaner when I mop, and it is the Method Cleaner for your floor, and I've been loving it so far. It's in the same scent that I use for my table, so y'all know I love that already anyway, and I think it just does a good job. I actually like it more than I do the vinegar, and you don't have to worry about the vinegar smell lingering around because it already smells really good. So I think I'm just going to continue using it, and you can buy this at Target. You can also buy it at Grove. You can find it a lot of places. I think Lowe's even has it as well.
You're shining bright as crystal, moving like a twister. Ooh, I'm swaying through the hits, boy, loving every disco. Ooh, so you say you're loving somebody else, that I am only for tonight. Yeah, you say you're gone and still you're in my bed. You're loving how I read your mind. So you say, so you say, so I play, I don't love you anyway. So you say, so you say, so I play, I don't love you anyway. I don't love you anyway. Stay low, swing high, move me across the floor. You've got me in a kind of dream, the baddest one I've ever seen. All night, all wild, howling at the moon. You've got me in a place unknown, free falling and I'm letting go. You're shining bright as crystal, moving like a twister. Ooh, I'm swaying.
Oh, and I just want to add, if you do try this stuff on your floor, a little bit goes a long way, so you don't even have to use very much at all, and it does a really good job. It spreads out pretty evenly, and it doesn't leave streaks on your floor, so I just wanted to let you guys know that little tip.
I read your mind. So you say, so you say, so I play, I don't love you anyway. So you say, so you say, so I play, I don't love you anyway. I don't love you anyway. Ooh.
So I'm pretty much done cleaning, so I'm just going to go ahead and go around the house and close all the blinds because it's getting pretty dark and I don't want people looking inside. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.